Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to get more gold fast in solo leveling. Arise, so you can upgrade your gear, buy skills, and power up your character without grinding forever. First off, complete main story missions. These give the biggest gold rewards and help you progress through the game quickly. Next, run dungeons and clear side quests. They offer solid payouts, especially if you replay them on higher difficulty levels. Don't miss out on daily login rewards and events. Many of them include bonus gold for logging in or completing simple tasks. Here's a pro tip. Sell unused gear and materials at the shop. Even low-tier items can add up over time. Also, participate in PvP modes and raids. These often reward extra gold along with rare loot that you can sell later. So should you feel low on gold? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, play smart, and keep upgrading your build. Let me know in the comments which class you're using and how much gold you're farming daily. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.